my family out there. It looks like I'm wearing the shirt from the last vlog, but it's not because this is in the V-neck one. But you gotta represent Daily Lexus, man. So shout out to all my Lexus owners and the people over at Daily Lexus for hooking your boy with a shirt. Cause hey, bro, appreciate it. But as you can read by the title, today's the day we officially start the Ruckus build because I got parts coming in from the Ruck Shop. Like I told you guys, I did land the partnership with the Ruck Shop. So this little thing right here is about to get swag-tastic and fast-tastic. Now my goal with it isn't to GY6 swap it for like the 150cc, the then big board to the 171. This is gonna stay a true 50cc because Honda power, baby. You know what I'm saying? Honda power, baby. So I have some parts coming in to make the 50cc much better than what it is now, and I'm gonna check out the transmission casing today to see if my clutch is actually slipping as people would kept telling me. So that's easy. Ryan from the Ruck Shop helped me out a lot by telling me, you know, give me like a quick little guide on like how to check certain things and stuff like that. So shout out to him and shout out to the Ruck Shop. But now we just wait for the UPS man to deliver these parts so we can start the process of installing the first part of this Ruckus. So until it gets here, enjoy this.
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good. Next thing that you know, you see it. Surfing on the sideway, swinging through the stars. Take a left into me, Justin. Take your second, my grandma. Coming back to school, alligator.
This has been Florida for the past week, bro. Just rain, 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 rain. This is what it's like living in Florida, bro. This is what it's like. Rain, rain, rain. Thundering. Rain. All this rain. Alright, so I received my first part for the Ruckus build. I think there's more in the truck because I have a bunch of stuff coming, unless it's all packed in here, but I'm pretty sure it's not. But what we have right here is the carbon fiber Yoshimura exhaust. So I can get rid of this little puny thing that they put on here. So your boy got a full exhaust, but we don't install this exhaust yet. Nah, I got something else I got to install first before this one goes on. But shout out to the Ruck Shop, boy. Now before we install the exhaust onto the Ruckus, we have to install another part beforehand so it can actually tie into it. And if you wish to like follow my Ruckus build, if you want to pick up a Ruckus, I want to do a speed test to show you guys how fast the stock Ruckus will go. So I want to do a speed test, but all this rain, this freaking rain, bro. Ugh. So I want to do a speed test with the current parts on it, and then once I upgrade everything performance-wise, I want to do another speed test to show you the difference of what adding a couple of parts to your Ruckus could actually do. So I'm on the road right now to O'Reilly to pick up the spark plug that I ordered last vlog. It finally came in today. Today is Thursday. And Ryan did inform me that all the parts did come in the Yoshimura exhaust package. So all the parts I need to make the Ruckus go faster is all in the package. So when I get back home, we're gonna unbox it, show you guys all that I got, and start the installation of the first part, which would be, you'll see. Oh.
Zosh, gonna bring the hot fire for your boys. Your motorize you.
Hey, walk one, me brethren. Welcome back to Zosh Radio Station, blazing the hottest of the hot 99.9. Yo! Today we blazing the herb of the herb. We stay blazing, and you hate it, and we know why. Blue yo! Me sitting the shooters at your neck now. But today we're blazing the herb of the herb. We're taking it back to 2014. Turn it up!
And just like a know-it-all, I always got the upper hand. And if I listen to you bitches, I would still be on the campus. But instead I'm in the standard with a girl who got some standards.
Will pass me by, cause you know I walk 1,000 miles.
Hey, wait, who the f*** talking to? Who the f is who? I get no f, it's me who coming through. That man, his whole crew. I don't get no f, you mad for what? Because I pulled through and killed you. The 240 is a damn phone. Put my 46 and now you can't even put you. What the fuck you mean these bad?
She gets down, 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 she gets down.
Okay, I'm down in your function with my gun out. She said I'm up now. Just wanna fuck now. Just say what's up now. Hey, I got dumb, I ain't flexing, but I'm up now. She said I'm racing.
Now back to the show.
Just now leaving O'Reilly's, got the spark plug. Tucker wasn't working, so I didn't feel like vlogging there. But the homie John was working, so that was cool. Now it's time to get home to start the Ruckus build, boy! Yeah! Hey, who you? What's your name, girl? Hey, what's your name? Hey, what's your name, girl? Why you so fly? You simple and fly? Who taught you how to be simple and fly? Look at mine. I'm clean like you? We clean?
Yes.
For real?
Yeah.
Wow. I know I'm supposed to be working on the Ruckus and showing you guys the parts and stuff and blah, 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 blah. But me and Randy just had to go drop off the hoist at the homie JD linked us, so appreciate it, bro. This boy Randy got VR1 racing oil now. Car drives good, bro?
It drives amazing, bro.
For real?
Oh, man, I feel the power.
It drives like a Chevron?
Yeah, bro.
Wow.
It feels like a real race car.
You make so much power, your damn clutch thing is squeaking. What's up, the Brady Bunch? My niggas. Man, I thought you were gonna do a pool with the kids in the front.
For sure, right?
Yeah, run their ass over, bro. Okay, so now it's time to actually reveal all the parts that I got. Today's just been a long day, but I'm finally back home. Finally ready to show you guys all the parts that I got from the Ruck Shop today. So without further ado, let's do this. Yoshi Mira. Son. See what we got. First part. Oh, cool. Got some Ruckus stuff. I don't know what this is, but we got it. We literally have everything in here. So this is one half of the exhaust part for the Yoshimura. Got intake arm. I'm believing this is an intake arm. I have no idea what most of this stuff is, so again, I apologize. I'm pretty sure this is for the intake. And right here, woohoo, the NCY CDI box to make this thing have no rev. In car terms, this is basically a chipped ECU. We have some roller weights right here for the transmission to pick up some acceleration, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I know these weights are used for like acceleration purposes, so yeah. Then we have the little breather filter for the intake itself. Oh, we got some sunglasses. Ooh. Hey, put these on now, bud. We clean out here. We gotta be clean. Oh, check your boy out. Ray Charles Part 2, baby. Right here we have the Polini Variator set. I believe this is what it's called. I think. All I know is this goes on the transmission, but it's by the brand Polini or Polini. I'm pretty sure it's Polini. I have no idea what this is, but just know that I know that this is good stuff to make this go a little faster than what it is. This right here is the hardware for the exhaust. And right here, and in this box right here, we have the Yoshimura carbon fiber exhaust. Boom! Here we have the Yoshimura carbon fiber exhaust. Bro, I see this on like every Ruckus build. And I'm like, yo, I gotta get it. And it's the carbon fiber one. Like, Ryan, bro, Kevin and Ryan. Hey, bro, I love y'all, man. Bring it in. I hate how late of a start I got to like unboxing everything, so it's like I ran out of daylight outside, as you guys can probably tell. But now I'm inside the house where I got some good lighting. I can show you guys in depth of everything that I got. So first things first, being the NCY CDI box, and like I said before, this is basically a chipped ECU for Ruckuses. I guess this gets rid of the governor so you have no more rev limiter. So that is tight. This is much needed if you want to increase the speed of your Ruckus. This is much needed. And right here we have the Ruck Shop's custom intake arm. This is basically a velocity stack, as you can tell right there. So it's like basically it's for your intake though. This is used for the intake. So this will actually get rid of my stock factory airbox that I've been crying so desperately to get rid of it. And now we have the resource to do it. And with your velocity stack, you gotta have your little filter as well, because these are much needed so you don't suck in anything and anything of that nature. So this is definitely much needed. This would add some horsepowers, I think. Don't quote me on that. I'm new to the whole bike life thing. So if I'm wrong and you're a Ruckus owner, I'm sorry. But I'm very positive that those two items, the breather and the intake arm itself, should increase something. Next up, we have this thing that I have no idea what this is yet. I have no idea, but I know it goes on the transmission. I'm pretty sure these are variators. I think these are variators. I don't know. I've been trying to look on the box to see exactly what it is. It's on my invoice that I received from the Ruck Shop, but I have no idea what it is, so I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure this is much needed, but once it comes to the install of this part, I will give you guys an actual explanation on what it does, but at the moment, I have no idea what this does. I just know that it's needed, and I got it. Now, I kind of know these are like the little weights thing. I think they're called variator weights, or just weights in general, but these increase the acceleration of your bike, and that's all I pretty much know about this. But as I know more, you guys will know more. Now, last and, well, at the very least of the performance parts, we have, boy, the Yoshimura exhaust in carbon fibre, bro. I cannot wait to install this. I cannot wait. That's your muffler, and this is your exhaust pipe itself. It comes with everything I need to install it on the bike, which is dope. And you have this, and you also have this, which is basically like the mounting brackets. So when you order your Yoshimura exhaust from the Ruck Shop, you have everything to obviously install it. You have everything: the pipe, the muffler, and the brackets, flanges, and all that other good jazz. So that's all the performance parts that I received from the Ruck Shop to get this build going, to make sure I do the fast down, then we're gonna do the aesthetic stuff. But for the most part, I am super stoked. I'm so thankful to have the Ruck Shop's full support on this Ruckus build. It's great, bro. It's so dope that I'm doing something other than cars, bro. Like, I'm saying, I love my car, I love Christine to death, but like, this is gonna be so much fun for me because like I'm building something from the ground up again. Like, I can't wait. Now, if you're out there deciding if you should get a Ruckus, I say yes, because bro, it's so fun. They're so sick. And if you do get a Ruckus and you want to stay 50cc like me, then be sure to come back to these videos. You know what I'm saying? Check out the Ruckus build thread. I don't plan on swapping the stock motor to the 150cc. I plan on keeping the 50cc just to maximize it. Oh, and I forgot. I did get the spark plug in. I crunked it up. I drove it around the block, and it drives a little bit better, but it still bogs. But that might have to do with me carbing the jet or stuff like that. Because when they put this exhaust on, because it's not a factory exhaust that's on the bike right now. So I'm guessing when they put the exhaust on, they didn't carb the jet. So, but all that's gonna get taken care of when I start the process of this build. So yeah, sounds a little bit better, but it still drives like crap. But all that's about to get fixed up, son. But that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I mean, I know it wasn't like no cool install parts, but like I got all the parts in, bro. Like I'm so ready to get this Ruckus freaking sick. Woo! I feel like Kanye West. Bro, I'm super excited to get this Ruckus build going, man. I hope you guys are excited for your boy. Cause like, bro, I landed a partnership with the Ruck Shop, bro. Like, bro, this is huge for me. Like, all the other sponsors I landed was like, that was hard earned. Like, I earned that. But like, for the Ruck Shop to like see me get a Ruckus and be like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, okay, we'll take it. Like, it's just so dope to me, bro. Like, they taking a chance on your boy. So it's like, ah. And with that being said, I hope you guys are enjoying the Ruckus content that I'm offering for you guys. It's another form of content. I know it ain't like strictly car content that you're seeing from me lately, but hey, bro, I can't do anything until I get my ECU back. And Eddie, if you're watching this, bro, when do I get my ECU? When do I get my ECU? And if you're interested in anything I talked about Ruckus related in today's video, then I will leave a link down below to the Ruck Shop and all the parts that I received today in case you want to make your stock Ruckus not so stock. And shout out to all my Ruck boys out there who still got the same motor that came with the Ruckus and then, you know, do the hot boy swap. I appreciate you, though. But thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you didn't, thought this video was enjoyable in any type of way, that like button for people, that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.